guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a Glamour jewelry box for you. So I did one of these, I think it was like last April, so quite some time ago, and the company contacted me asking if they could send me another box, and of course I said yes. So this is a monthly subscription, but you can skip, which I think is awesome. I love skippable subscription boxes. It's $29.95 a box plus $3 shipping, and I believe that it's only available in the US right now. Okay, so let's see. And this is the January box. Just, you know, I tend to be late on these things, but this one is January. Glamour is shine and confidence. We hope you enjoy this month's jewelry selection. Each piece was carefully curated to help you sparkle. Just comes in a cute little thing like this with a little jewelry bag. Okay, well, this is fun. This has got to be a bracelet, right? Let me see if I can actually get this on. There we go. Oh, that's super duper cute. And it's really easy, like it's quite bendy, which is nice, you know? It adds a nice touch of sparkle. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I really like this. I see some stud earrings here. These are cute, right? They look like little knots. There we go, see? Aren't those cute? Oh, I love those. Simple but cute and fun. Okay, and then the final item in here, wrapped in tissue paper. Ooh, this has to be a necklace. There's way too much going on here. Whoa. Oh boy. Hang on. I gotta figure out how to untangle this. Okay, I've got it untangled. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited about this. All right, I don't know that it goes with this neckline, but I'm gonna try it on for you anyway because this is an amazing necklace. Okay, can we see this? It's really long. It has this one thing that goes down really low, but then it has like this web of wonderfulness in here. I love all the delicate layers. See all the little delicate layers here, and this, I mean, it's almost like a web or something. And then with the long chain that droops down. It doesn't really go with this top, so I feel like I'm not doing it justice, but this is awesome. I am really excited about this necklace. Wow, what a cool piece. And it's perfect with the simple, understated earrings. I love it. Oh my gosh, what fun! Okay, so I will leave all of the information in the description box. I do have a 10% off discount code. I believe it's just Rebecca10. So make sure that if you do sign up, you don't forget to get yourself a little discount there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!